Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code 59. In this video, I will show you a couple of solutions. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Task Manager and make sure you are not running anything related to Riot Client, Valorant, or Valorant Vanguard, right? So make sure to close these tasks here, and also on the bottom right corner should be little tray button here, and here should be Valorant Vanguard if you recently used it. So make sure to exit here as well. And the next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to services here on the search, just write services, and then you just need to tap on one of the tasks here and then press V. And VGC should be the first option here. So then right click on it, go to properties, make sure that startup type is on automatic, and also service status, make sure that is running. So if it's not running, press start, wait for a few seconds until it loads up, and then press OK. And after that, try the game, and if the problem persists, then the next thing that you need to do here, you need to basically reinstall the Riot Vanguard. And to do so, you need to simply go to Control Panel here, go to Programs and Features, and then you need to look for, as you can see here, Riot Vanguard, and just uninstall it. And if you want to install it again, you just need to load your Riot client here, log into your account, and it will be update button, and basically you will install Riot Vanguard again. And if the problem persists as well, the last thing that I suggest you to do so is to delete your temporary files. And to do so, you just need to unsearch Riot delete, and probably it will be the first option here, delete temporary files. And then we need to wait for a few seconds until the page boots up here. And then you need to go to temporary files. As you can see here, we need to wait again here and press remove files. It's just to cache files. Don't worry about that. It will not break your computer. And from time to time, it's always useful to delete these files. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.